Technology has evolved rapidly over the past decade, especially when it comes to wearable gadgets. From smartwatches to VR headsets, we're constantly adapting to new innovations that help us lead smarter, more efficient lives. In today's video, we'll show you the top 10 coolest smart wearables to buy in 2022. These gadgets are designed to enhance your lifestyle in ways you've never imagined. Let's kick things off with the Mature Pro. During summer, going outside can be unbearable with all the heat and sweating. But thanks to the Mature Pro, you can stay cool as a cucumber. This is the world's first wearable gadget that produces cool air up to 7 degrees Fahrenheit lower than the surrounding temperature. It uses a semiconductor chip to cool your body instantly. The device has a built-in rechargeable battery that lasts up to 8 hours and can be controlled via its dedicated app. Plus, its intelligent temperature regulation adjusts cooling automatically to keep you comfortable all day long. Up next is Foci, a tiny wearable designed to boost your focus and productivity. It's minimal in design and weighs only 10 grams, making it extremely portable. By analyzing your breathing patterns, Foci tracks your subconscious mental state. Using the Foci app, you can view your current focus level in real time, along with personalized advice to help improve your performance. And here's the cool part. Whenever your concentration drops, Foci gently nudges your waist to remind you to refocus. It's a surprisingly smart and subtle way to stay on track. Now meet Cleat Pro, a portable 4K camera that records high-quality videos for up to 60 minutes. You can mount it on your wrist, cap, or glasses and record completely hands-free. The built-in electronic image stabilizer ensures your photos and videos come out crystal clear without any motion blur. Unlike bulky action cams, Cleat Pro is super lightweight at only 35 grams, making it easy to carry anywhere. It also offers slow motion and time-lapse recording modes, along with a 150-degree wide-angle lens that gives you a broader view of the scene. Next, we have the Ukulele cooling vest, a gadget designed to keep you cool instantly. Made with durable carbon fiber and waterproof materials, this vest cools your body in just 3 seconds, lowering ambient temperatures by up to 33 degrees Fahrenheit. It's lightweight and easy to wear, thanks to a magnetic buckle system. The vest includes an ultra-thin battery that provides up to 3 hours of cooling, and if you need more time, you can connect it to an external power bank. It's perfect for hot summer days, workouts, or outdoor adventures. If you're looking for a futuristic way to control your devices, the Pero Smart Gadget is just what you need. Pero recognizes hand gestures and translates them into digital commands. You can adjust its sensitivity just like you would with a computer mouse. Whether you're swiping through presentations or controlling a smart TV, Pero gives you seamless control. It connects wirelessly via... For those on a budget looking for a great smartwatch, the Fitbit Versa 3 is a strong contender. It features a 1.58-inch AMOLED display with a 336 x 336 resolution and built-in GPS to track your real-time pace and distance. Compatible with both iOS and Android, it also supports voice commands and offers an impressive battery life of up to 6 days. The Versa 3 tracks your heart rate 24/7 and includes a variety of health and fitness monitoring features that make it a solid choice for anyone looking to stay active and healthy. Ever feel like you're carrying too many devices at once? The Zenso S-Ring is a stylish smart ring that replaces several gadgets in one. You can take calls via Bluetooth, 8 store files, 8 control music, 8 and even make contactless payments. It also comes with a built-in voice assistant to help you check the time, set alarms, or send reminders. One of its standout features is the SOS button, which can notify your contacts in an emergency. With its sleek design and multiple functions, this wearable brings convenience to your fingertips, literally. Last on our list is the Rokid Air, a pair of sleek AR glasses that combine comfort with cutting-edge technology. These glasses don't require an external power source. They draw energy directly from the connected device. You can control them using voice commands or a built-in touchpad. They're also myopia-friendly, with adjustability up to 500 degrees in both eyes. The dual high-quality speakers offer surround sound that makes video, music, and games more immersive than ever before. It's a glimpse into the future of wearable entertainment. And there you have it, the top 10 coolest smart wearables you can buy in 2022. Whether you're looking to cool down, stay focused, track your fitness, breathe clean air, or explore virtual worlds, there's something on this list for everyone. Which gadget caught your attention the most? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome tech content every week.